Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create generic servlet. So before starting this video, we should know that what is a servlet. So servlet is nothing but Java program which is executed on web server, or we can call it as a Java enabled web server. An example of web server is Apache Tomcat Server. So before creation of generic servlet, make sure that you have installed Eclipse IDE to type Java program and Apache Tomcat to run that Java program on web server. So make sure that you have these two softwares installed on your machine. And friends, if you have not installed Eclipse IDE on your machine, I have given link in description box. Please check that link for installation of Eclipse IDE. So let's start with the video. So first you have to open Eclipse IDE. Within that, if you see top left corner, file option is there. From this file option, you have to select new. Again, from this new option, you have to select dynamic web project. Now here you have to enter project name. Suppose I'm giving name to project as Generic Servlet Demo. Now here you have to select the runtime environment, that is Apache Tomcat Server. Now click on next button. After this, click on next button. Now see the context root as a generic servlet demo, and again content directory. So within content directory, I want web content. So I will modify here and I will give web content. And here I want to generate web.xml, the deployment descriptor. So just I will check this option and click on finish button. Now if you observe here in Project Explorer, Generic Servlet demo folder is created. Again within that web content folder, again in Java resources. Now here in Java resources, within this src folder, we are going to create new servlet, or we can call it as a new Java program. Within this Java resources, you have to explore this generic servlet demo. Within this, you will get option Java resources. Within Java resources, you have source folder. So just right click on it, then create new, and we are going to create servlet. So just click on servlet option. Now here we have to give the name to the servlet class. So class name will be first servlet. And again here superclass. Superclass, we are going to create generic servlet. We are not creating HTTP servlet. You have to click on this browse option, and here you have to type generic servlet. See, it is showing generic servlet option. So just select this. Now here superclass is generic servlet. Now click on next button. Now see here URL is created first servlet. Now click on next button. Now see, if we want, we can add here interfaces also. Again here within this servlet, we want to add constructors, inherited abstract methods, and init, destroy, get servlet config, and get servlet info. These four methods are already implemented, but here we want to implement, so just we have to modify with the service method. So just select this service method and these two constructors and inherited abstract methods, and just click on finish button. Now see here first servlet.java file is created, and here it is showing the service method. So rest of the code will be as it is, will not change it. Just we have to change with the service method. Just type a message. So just type print writer out is equal to response dot. Now see, it is showing methods available. So we want a writer method. So just select the get writer method. Just give semicolon and just press enter. Now again type the command out dot println, and within this println, or I want to type a message, welcome to my channel. Now just save this file by using Ctrl S option. Create HTML file. For that purpose, just click on Project Explorer. Within this Project Explorer, you have project that is a generic servlet demo. Within that, you have folder web content. Again, right click on it. Again, create new, and we are going to create HTML file. So just click on HTML file, and I want to give name to this file as index.html. Just click on next, finish. Now index file is created. Within this body part of this HTML file, I want to give some action. So for this purpose, type form action is equal to, now see here we have to provide name of our servlet, that is the first servlet. Again, we are going to give input form, input type. So it will be input type is equal to submit, and value will be go. Just save this program. Now again, open this first Java program, or directly you can click on this Project Explorer. It will execute the file which is executable. Now, before execution of program, just make sure that whether you have added server or not. Now see here, already I have added the versions of Tomcat Server 10.0, 10.1. If you have not added, so what you have to do, here server option, you have to select. From that, just right click and select new, then server. After this, Apache Tomcat Server we want to use. So just click on Apache, and from that, select the version what you have installed on your machine. Okay. So I have added the server. Now we'll see how to execute this program. So just click on Generic Servlet Demo. Either you can select this project option, or you can select this first servlet.java file. Okay. You have to select, again right click and select the option run as, and you have to select run on server, but because we are going to execute it on Apache Tomcat Server. So once you execute it, this is your index page, and once you click on go button, then it will send request towards this servlet, and it will print the message whatever we have given inside the servlet. So just click on this go button, and it will display the message whatever you have given in servlet option. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, comment me in comment box, and if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.